weather alert.
Kevin's got details of the storm coming our way.
Yeah, let's get right to it, guys. Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. We've been talking about this for the last few days. We did it on Facebook Live at about 9:20 through the 10 o'clock news, and it is almost upon us. The strong to severe thunderstorms. Nothing going on across most of the area right now. Certainly nothing in Grand Rapids. It's just a matter of time. All of these counties shaded in pink, with the exceptions of the ones that border Indiana, under a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 a.m. That means that conditions are favorable for strong to severe thunderstorms, which is almost in the book for us here. They're just off to the north and west, and these are severe thunderstorm warnings, so that's elevated. That means they're going to be happening. They're imminent. These are marine warnings out here, so these are the watches and the warnings that we have in effect right now. By the way, we have a severe thunderstorm warning out for Muskegon County and Oceana County until 12:30 because we have storms coming in. Here's what's going on. There's Grand Rapids off to the north and west, these counties that are shaded in orange under the severe thunderstorm warning. Big cluster of very well-defined thunderstorms out there. Strong to severe thunderstorms, extensive lightning, torrential rain. There may be some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts with some of these storms here coming into Oceana and Muskegon County. There could be some hail, but the primary threat, the 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So that's why they've issued the warning here. Let's just zoom in on this a little bit closer. These arrows represent the flow. So it's tracking to the east-southeast at about 40 to 50 mile per hour. And you can see any time that there's orange and there's red in there, there's yellow, that's some very heavy rainfall, and there's extensive lightning. Although I will tell you, when this was over in Wisconsin, I had about 1,000 lightning strikes on the map. They're down to about 550, maybe 600 lightning strikes, but still, this has got a pretty good punch. I don't think it's going to do much damage unless it comes on shore and then it starts to tap some of that warm, moist, juicy air mass that we saw and all felt today, and that's all untapped. So that's why this is all in play on the table, that we may see them strong to severe thunderstorms plow into our northwestern counties and then just continue to blast right on through the area as they drop through the overnight hours to the south and east. But you can see there's still some more off here to the west behind this initial line. So this is going to go on for a few hours. By the time we get into daybreak tomorrow, I think a lot of that is gone. Maybe a lingering shower or storm, but the severe weather threat by that time will be gone. But between right now and about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, that's when we'll be under the gun with these strong to severe thunderstorms. Look at the temperatures. We're still 79 in GR, 82 in Kalamazoo. There's still a lot of heat out there for these things to fire, plus the dew point temperatures into the 60s in a lot of spots. This is a measure of moisture in the air. You need moisture, lift, and instability for strong to severe thunderstorms, and we have it all in place. It's just a question of watching it unfold and keeping you guys abreast of what's happening. Here's the severe weather outlook for the overnight hours. Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties northward in this hatched in orange area. That is the enhanced risk that's out there, as that's the best threat for the 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gust. As you head further to the south, you're not out of the woods for severe weather, but the threat of severe weather diminishes a little bit. This is the best bullseye for that, but we're all in play here for the possibility of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Hail size about an inch, inch and a quarter will be possible, but the primary threat going to be some damaging straight line winds, 60 to 70 mile per hour straight line winds. Maybe up to 75, that would be on the high side. I think it's going to be about 60 to maybe 65 mile per hour straight line winds. An isolated tornado certainly can't be ruled out. A brief EF1 or EF0 could spin up. Maybe a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow morning, but we'll clear out by the afternoon. We'll eventually turn less humid through the afternoon hours with highs around 82 degrees and a west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. A lot of that is out of the area, and then we decrease the cloud cover by the time we get into the afternoon. Wednesday and the Thursday, we've got clear to partly cloudy skies. Thursday looks like a nice day here. We'll be warm, up around 80, 82 degrees, but lots of sunshine. This cold front will slide in here as we go into Friday, and that might give us a shower or thunderstorm on Friday, but I think that will be hit and miss. A quick peek at your 7-day forecast, 83 on Thursday, 81, maybe that shower on Friday. We're in the 70s for the weekend, and then more heat and humidity coming in for the beginning of next week. Again, we'll be covering this on Facebook Live throughout the night, and if it gets bad enough and it's not just marginal, we'll break into the on-air programming as well. So either one of those two mediums, you can stay informed throughout the overnight hours, and make sure you have your cell phone loaded with the Fox 17 weather app or your NOAA weather radio in standby mode, guys.